In this video, I'll show you how to use your Klarna card on Ticketmaster so you can pay for event tickets using Klarna. To get started, make sure you already have a Klarna card set up inside the Klarna app, because this card is what you'll use during checkout. First, open the Ticketmaster app or go to the Ticketmaster website and log into your account. Once you're signed in, browse through the events and choose the concert, sports event, or show you want to attend. After selecting the event, choose your seats or ticket type, confirm the quantity, and continue until the tickets are added to your cart. Now, proceed to the checkout page. Here, you'll be asked to review your order details, including the event information, seat selection, and total price. When you reach the payment section, you may see Klarna listed directly as a payment option, depending on your region and the event organizer. If Klarna appears as an option, simply select it and follow the on-screen steps to complete the payment through Klarna. If Klarna does not appear as a direct payment option, you can still use your Klarna card instead. Choose the option to pay with a credit or debit card, and then open your Klarna app. From there, access your Klarna card details and enter the card number, expiration date, and security code into Ticketmaster, just like you would with any other card. After entering your Klarna card details, confirm your billing information and review the payment summary one last time. Once everything looks correct, complete the purchase. Ticketmaster will process the payment, and Klarna will handle it according to your selected payment plan. After the transaction is successful, your tickets will be confirmed and available in your Ticketmaster account, ready for the event. That's how you use your Klarna card on Ticketmaster to pay for tickets.